Secure your clipboard. Keep your data safe.
Hello, data defenders. Today, we're going to talk about an important topic that can often be overlooked: clipboard security. Your clipboard, where copied items are temporarily stored, might contain sensitive data that could be potentially accessed by malicious software. So, let's dive in and find out how you can prevent others from accessing the information stored on your clipboard.
What is the clipboard and why should we protect it?
The clipboard is a system tool used for short-term data storage. When you copy text or images, that data is stored on your clipboard until you paste it somewhere else or until it's replaced by newer copied data. But why should you care about clipboard security? Well, malware or some applications can potentially access your clipboard data without your knowledge. This might include sensitive information like passwords, credit card numbers, or personal details, which you definitely don't want in the wrong hands.
How can we protect our clipboard?
Use protected clipboard features. Modern operating systems often come with features designed to protect clipboard data. For instance, Android 10 and newer versions have a feature that restricts apps from accessing clipboard data unless they're active in the foreground. On iOS, clipboard access notifications are built in starting from iOS 14, which alerts users when an app accesses the clipboard data. So it's wise to keep your operating system up to date to leverage these security features. Install trustworthy applications. Only install applications from trusted sources like the official App Store or Google Play Store. This minimizes the risk of installing apps with malicious intent to steal clipboard data. Also, remember to regularly update your apps as developers often release security patches to fix vulnerabilities. Use clipboard management tools. There are clipboard management tools that provide extra security, such as the ability to clear clipboard history automatically after a certain period of time. These tools can be especially handy on desktop platforms where clipboard security features are often more lax. To wrap up, maintaining clipboard security is an essential part of data protection. Remember to keep your OS and apps up to date, only install trustworthy apps, and consider using secure clipboard management tools. Ensuring these simple steps can help you take one stride forward in your journey to complete data safety. Hope this video has been insightful for you. Stay secure, everyone.